Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Ponte Vecchio machine. We did a lot of work to this machine. Replaced the boiler, did a group head overhaul, overhauled the steam valves. The machine's working great. And just a couple little quirks that we couldn't resolve. The new boiler, the valves for the steam and hot water are actually soldered to the boiler, and they're just a little bit too close together where they're soldered, so you see that they're not perfectly centered on each side. And I tried to resolve that, but just couldn't do it because of the position of them on the boiler. Also, the case is, if you look at both sides, the case is just doesn't fit quite perfectly, and I did that so the best I could. It still looks good. It's just not quite perfect. And what else? I think that's about it. So let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and look at the back of it. And let's go ahead and pull a test shot. A little pre-infusion there that I did with holding the lever down. And it's important to make sure that before you first turn this machine on, that you open the steam valve, because this machine does not have a vacuum release valve. And so if you don't release the vacuum, it won't heat up properly before pulling the shot. So if you were to forget to release the vacuum, then as soon as you open the steam valve, the pressure on here would drop, and it wouldn't have heated up properly. So just make sure to do that. And you can see we get a nice shot of espresso. You will get a leak on this if you don't turn the portafilter nice and tight. I put a thicker than normal gasket on here. I think there's some wear. This is a brand new portafilter, but there's definitely wear to the group head that's causing the portafilter gasket to need to be thicker. So we did that, and let's go ahead and test the steam. The steam's nice and slow, and we'll test the hot water. The hot water works. Some of them just opened up. You can see it's nice and strong. And so thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.